Right, so I'm with Alex today, wherever he's gone is there, and we're just having a look round this massive abandoned farm, and there's a house behind me as well. So yeah, looks sort of interesting. Looks like offices over there. It says telephone on that wall. I'm assuming those little offices maybe. Yeah. Yeah, we'll go check the house out first. Oh, maybe we'll check it here first. What's that?
Feeding trough things.
Oh, feeding trough. Yeah, we'll do some house checking. A bit windy. Pretty bloody big. There's a slight smell still.
Yeah.
Only slightly. I'm assuming so. Yeah, around there. Well, there's a pussycat. There, just climbed over. It's about to jump over that way. I think it's all boarded up. It's only a little house. Farm's more interesting than how else. It's only a little house, isn't it?
By the looks of it, most of it's in here, anyway.
Most of it, oh yeah. All fridges and that. Don't remember it what?
I've been past here many times and I don't remember.
That's a butt. They're just empty. I think it's just empty. There's a bit of glass on the floor in there as well. I wonder if that window will open. Oh, it won't open. If that were open, we could have got this one open. Never mind. Looks empty anyway. I'd like to have a look in the house as well, but no, it's all tight. We don't break things. But like I said, it's empty anyway. Would have sort of been interesting. Look at the grass on the roof. So much grass in that gutter. That gutter would not work whatsoever. Yeah, we could have a look around the old outbuildings, I suppose. Little things in here. Bits and bobs. What's in all these? Doesn't open. Oh, it's got a lock there. So yes, just folds weirdly enough down. And then you walk up it. Is that how you do it? What are you doing? Oh, it's a weird door. Unless it was a chicken shed. Possibly a chicken shed or something. Yeah, pretty much. I'll have a look, or I'll let you shut it up then. bobs in there. Junk room with no shed, no roof. That would have been a garage type thing, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It's weird how everything's just been...
Yeah.
It's all clean, isn't it? You expect it to be all full of pig shit or horse shit in here. Who's that now? Alright, bud. Yeah. So the food would have come along these pipes, down the tubes and into there for whatever it would have been. I'm assuming some pigs or something. Yes, I think this where it says telephone, there might have been like an office or something. What were these? Yeah, but look at them little trough things they've got inside each one. Weird, aren't they?
There is an office in there.
Yes, I thought, because it says telephone, so I assumed there must have been some sort of an office or something. Oh, it's open.
Oh yeah.
Lucky, lucky.
Oh, sick.
That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Boats down there. A clock. Yeah, it would have been like a little office. Is it open? Oh, it's open again. That door's peculiar, isn't it? Don't know. Maybe it's just me. Oh. Alarm systems. Oh, it says 2019. It's only been like this a year.
What?
Yeah, a year.
Wow.
So, smells a bit funky in here. This has just been... Oh my god, look at that. Medicines. Is this on? Hang on. Is there power still to this place? I don't know. Where's the power switches? I mean the lights. Is there any lights? No lights in that one.
There's a filing cabinet.
There is.
What?
Yeah, look at all these. Sterile solutions, all. I don't want to touch them. I'll probably get a BSE or something. Needles there hanging up. Vimto. Still got the orange squash in there.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Is it still frozen in here? Oh no. It's all soggy. If it was working, that'd be frozen, wouldn't it? Yeah, it's weird. All the medicine's still in there. What's in there? Those little bits and bobs. What are these?
I don't even want to think of
I know. I don't want to touch out just in case it has been shut down because of any weird diseases.
Coronavirus, probably.
Trading standards number.
Oh, we've got coronavirus protection already.
What's this? A little safe. Ah, little bullets.
Oh, shells.
Oh, shells, sorry. Oh, why they kept them? They've all been used, them ones, haven't they?
Yeah.
Little bullet things.
There's more room, isn't it?
Oh, there's another thing here.
What is it?
Another. This is literally... Yeah, no one would have done this one, would they?
No.
Because it's just been done. It's just been...
Just now.
This one's lit. All the dates on it. And we drive past here all the time. How did you switch this light on?
The switch outside.
Oh. So yes, this is the abandoned farm. Yeah, we drive past here all the time. Oh yeah, they're the little, whatever there would have been, pig pen things, or God knows. Looks like a kennel actually, like a dog kennel.
Yeah.
This part does, doesn't it? Like dogs would have been in there and then they can go outside, like a really shitty quality dog kennel. Right down there, what's that one at the end, just the same. Oh. Yeah.
Hey.
Contaminated waste.
A little bit spooky in there.
Spooky?
Yeah, a bit spooky.
What? And a few cobwebs. Nah, it doesn't smell like dogs, does it? Shit myself then.
Wow.
What? Yeah. Yeah, I've been used in a long time, this part.
No.
But yeah, looks like 2019 for the rest of it. I might need it in here again.
I don't know, I'm going to farm it, ain't you?
If there's any farmers watching, you might know what these are. I'm guessing maybe a sheep would go in here. Maybe. Who knows? Similar sort of thing, just looks a bit newer.
That's pretty much it, the rest of them.
Another building there, isn't there? Big one at the end there as well. Oh, this one's longer. But it's the same thing though. It's locked. This looks like a bigger one for cows, maybe. Yeah. Might throw a piece of this cow poo up. It's rock solid, it's been there for ages. I'm gonna give it to Alex as a present. Alex, I've got a present for you. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Would you like to receive it?
Yeah.
Hold your hand out.
No.
Why? Why?
No. Go on, drop it in front
No,
of me.
no, I don't want to break it.
I'll place it in front of me.
No,
man.
come on, just hold your hand out.
No.
Have you got spunk on your trousers, by the way?
That'll be toothpaste.
Oh.
Go on.
There you go.
What is that?
It's for you. It's only a piece of poo. I'll leave it next to his camera. As if he's run away. He's left his camera stuff there as well. Big empty. Oh, what's that thing? Weird. Oh, the power's up there, look. Fucking hell, that's high up. There's a right mission, switch that on. What's this then? It's got ink on it. I bet it's to I bet the sheep go in it, or the pigs even. And this is where they brand the sheep. I'm just guessing. Why else would they have pink paint on there? Ugh, sloppy. Why is this all sloppy? Is there a side door to this?
Not this side, anyway.
Oh, God. Oh, it's got to pop my head in here. Alright, okay. Everything's doing this one. So, yeah, it's pretty mad. The stereo. A little Hoover. What's that thing? It's like a photo taken. Oh, it is looks like a battery charger. Gun gum. What? Gun gum. Yeah, I think that is it. What's it then? Let's get out of this fucking... Oh God, pig shit. Does this slide? Oh, it slides anyway. Ugh. Silly me. Right, that's it then. Right then, so I'll finish off there. This was just a massive abandoned farm. It's not been that abandoned that long. Sorry about my voice, I've got a really creaky voice today. Not well, and we couldn't get into the house, but it looked empty anyway, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out Alex's channel.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Bye.